The proposal generator allows you to create, review, and send professional proposals directly from a project in Followup CRM. Start by opening the project you want to create a proposal for. Before generating the proposal, review the project and contact information to ensure everything is accurate. Proposal details can pull information directly from the project, company, and contact records. Select Generate Proposal to begin. Choose the contact associated with the proposal. This contact may be used within the proposal and when sending the proposal to the client, so verify that the correct contact is selected. Next, select a proposal template. Templates provide a predefined structure and may include sections such as a cover page, introduction, quote details, photos, terms and conditions, and authorization or signature pages. Once the template is loaded, review the proposal sections. Each section represents content that will appear in the final proposal. Navigate through the sections and update information where required. Before sending the proposal, generate a review PDF. This provides a preview of the final document and allows you to verify the layout, pricing, photos, client information, terms, and signature sections. Review the PDF carefully and make any necessary adjustments before proceeding. When the proposal is ready, choose the appropriate sending option. Use Send to Client when the proposal only needs to be viewed. Use Send to Client for signing when approval and an electronic signature are required. Before sending, confirm the recipient email address and signer details. After the proposal has been sent, return to the project to track its status. Depending on the workflow, the proposal may display statuses such as sent, signed, or locked. Locked proposals cannot be modified and help preserve the version that was sent to or approved by the client. The proposal generator keeps proposals connected to the project, helping teams create consistent, professional client documents while maintaining visibility throughout the proposal process.